This is probably the first time this trigger has moved in God knows how long. You can see that there's a lot of corrosion and damage still, but so right now it's cocked, and I got a missing pin here that I discovered that I need to find a replacement for, but it's cocked right now. That's the hammer. Safety didn't work. It took about a month to get that safety out of there. Take the safety off. I'm not going to fully depress the trigger, but I'm going to grab the hammer with my thumb. There goes the hammer. Fires, gun fires. Rack another one in. Cocks itself again. I'll put the safety on so I don't knock that hammer down because of this. This is just a piece of metal holding this back, but I'm pretty sure there's a pin that's missing here. There wasn't one when I took it apart. So I think I'm going to find a replacement for that. I'll do a little more digging to see if that's really a problem or not, but I'm afraid to let this spring go and have this thing flying out. That's it. That's the trigger assembly. Working again. Hopefully we'll get the rest of the gun fixed up and shooting again. That'd be fun.